Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. Hudia Ramadana. In this our project, we will discuss about configuration and installation of Samba server in Ubuntu. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Abdurahman Ikram.
Hello, my name is fawwaz Insani Taribi.
Hello, my name is Dionisius.
We were from a group of 8 to ISA 2. In this video, we will discuss our project configuration and installation of Samba server in Ubuntu. Okay, the content. Samba server, repository, update and installing Samba, setting up Samba, setting up user account and connection to share. Okay, next. Samba server. What is Samba server? Before we discuss the installation and configuration of the Samba server, we need to know what a Samba server is. Samba server is a standard Windows interoperability program suite for Linux and Unix. Samba is an essential component for seamlessly integrating Linux or Unix server and desktop into active directory environments. It can function as both a domain controller and a regular domain member. Okay, next, repository update and installing Samba. Okay, the first we open up the terminal on Ubuntu. Okay, next, for easier configuration, we use the command sudo su and enter our password to go into root and become a super user. Okay, next is we use the command apt update to update our repository. And next, we use the command apt install Samba to install Samba on Ubuntu.
So the next part is setting up Samba. The first thing we need for setting up Samba is to create a directory for it to share. So we use make directory, home, chromary, and Samba share. Then we need to configure the file as a share and then save it. So we open up the file with nano, etc. Samba and smb.configure. And on the bottom of the page, we use the Samba share file here. And then we need to write as such comment Samba on Ubuntu path home chromary Samba share. Read only no, browsable yes, writable yes, guest okay yes, force user nobody, and force group no group. Next, we have to restart Samba using the service smbd restart. And last, we need to update the firewall to allow Samba traffic. So we use ufw allow Samba, and after enter, it will look like this.
So now I will discuss about setting up user accounts and connecting to share. So first, here we have to set up users accounts. We need to set up a Samba password for our user account using smb pass wd a username comment. Next, in the second step, we open the default file manager to connect to the Samba file server. Type in SME if address / share Samba in other location on the connect to server and press connect. And the third step, we will make a file to see if other devices with a different operating system can access and share the shared file. Then we will go to another device with a different operating system and access the shared file from there. And the fifth step, we will enter the address of the shared file in the file explorer. And here is the sixth step, or the last step. We have to, from here we can see that the file is successful sharing to another device with a different operating system. Okay, and that brings us to the end. We would like to thank you for your time and attention for today's presentation. And we are apologies if there's any kind of mistakes on this presentation. If there's any question or even critics for our presentation, feel free to reach us anytime. We will be happy and honored to discuss it together. Thank you and see you next time.